this is why they say buy quality ratchets. Alrighty guys, back with another little video slash update on the Icon 3/8 shallow socket set. I've been using this set daily, putting it through the test, because I know some people want real world, real life tests, not just on a bench or vise test. And the 13/16 socket is the one I've used the most, and as you can tell, the only thing I have to say is this chrome is very, very soft. It's really, as you can see, it's all dented up there. It's all smashed there. But the inside is held up so far. And then right here, it's starting to like water out and stuff. This has not been on an impact, ratchet only. And it's starting to water out right there. And you can see how soft this chrome is. I just don't understand why it's starting to water out right there. This is only, I believe I've had these almost a month. Or not even a month. And it's already watering out there. It's super soft. But the inside of it, from what I can tell, is held up really well. That there is the only thing on this side. That's not a crack. I thought this was a crack at first, but it's not a crack. But other than that, they've been doing really good. I destroyed this 3/8 ratchet with them. And I'll throw another clip of the ratchet into this video, as you can see when it broke. But this ratchet is done. It's junk. There, locked up. There it goes. Keeps locking up and unlocking, and then it'll come free and then lock up. And then when you flip it, I'll throw the video in of when it happened. That's a Husky wrench. As some of you guys seen the video I did with the Icon wrench when I was using it, this is what the wrench looks like from beating on it with a hammer. The wrench, you can't even tell I was beating on it with a hammer. These ratchet wrenches are strong. The insides of the ratchet part, yeah, they're dirty. I haven't cleaned them up yet. This is the pile of tools from the job I was doing the other day. I haven't cleaned them up yet and put them back in the box. I've been so busy. But the inside's held up good. The teeth, they have like no marks on the inside. There's that, and that's about, oh yeah, I've been using the 1/2" Icon ratchet, and it's holding up good so far. No problems out of it yet. She's doing good. So the next video we're going to do is I'm going to put this 1/2" set. I've been using them here and there when I need them. I don't use 1/2" sockets in the shop as much as on my truck. So I'm going to take this set today and put it on my service truck, so I can put these through the test for a couple weeks here and see what happens. See if they're as soft as the 3/8 and see if they get all mangled up like the 3/8 did. My biggest, I guess, fear question here is the part where it goes on the ratchet here. I don't like how it's already watering out, and this is less than a month usage. I don't like that at all. And for the guys that are claiming these to be professional sockets and professional wrenches and ratchets, they are not professional wrenches, ratchets, sockets. They are not that by any means. These are for DIY guys. These are for home use. Yes, you can use them in a shop starting out and stuff. I do not recommend buying them and expecting them to last a lifetime, like a Snap-on or a Mac, Cornwell, Matco, anything like that. I would not buy these expecting them to be the same. I don't understand why they compare them to Snap-on, because they are nowhere near Snap-on grade sockets. I have beat my Snap-on 3/8 sockets. None of them look like that socket does. None of them. None of them are as like dented and scraped, and the drive where it goes on the ratchet, none of them are all wallered out like that. That really disappointed me there in that set there. And yes, some of the Icon guys are going to, oh, you're abusing it, you're abusing it. No, I'm putting it through the test. I'm putting it through hell to see what is going to actually happen with it. I want to see how they last. I want people to know, hey, these are good, they're going to last you a while, or look, this is less than a month's use and the drive is already wallered out and loose on a ratchet. That's a big disappointment. So like I said, we're going to do a video with these. I'm going to put them through the test. Yes, they're still new. I've used one socket out of here, and I believe it was the 12 millimeter. Yes, I used the 12 millimeter the other day, and that's all I've used out of this kit. So I'm going to put them on the truck, use them for a couple weeks here, and then do a video on them and see what happens. So far, I'm very disappointed in the 3/8 sockets. Amazed by the wrenches. They are doing really good. The 1/2-inch ratchet, I cannot really give my opinion on it. I've only used it 4 or 5 times, a handful of times. I can't give my full opinion on that. The 3/8 deep sockets, they're doing okay. 18 millimeter is, oh, it's right here. I didn't use that one enough to even give an opinion on that. It's just, I don't understand why everybody is comparing these to Snap-on. They are not like Snap-on. They are not the quality, the grade, nothing like a Snap-on socket. Yes, they look like it. Yes, it performs as a socket. It does your job. They are not going to hold up as long as a Snap-on socket will. There's no way possible they will. Sorry for the rant. I just wanted to get that out because so many people are claiming these to be better than Snap-on or equal to Snap-on, or they're not even half as equal to Snap-on, I don't think. Gear Wrench is way better than these, and I hate Gear Wrench. But Gear Wrench is better than this Icon socket stuff. Yes, I bought them. Obviously, I bought the sockets because I wanted to try them out. I wanted to see what they'll do. And yes, they're perfect for your garage at home, or for a tech just starting out and getting into the field. They're perfect for that. Do not go and buy these if you already have sockets or you're wanting to upgrade or this. Save your money. Buy them off the truck, or unfortunately, buy Gear Wrench. I hate Gear Wrench ever since they changed their manufacturer or whatever. Their tools have went downhill. Their gear wrenches used to be great. Now I cannot stand their gear wrenches. And yes, I like Snap-on, but I'm not strictly dedicated to Snap-on. I have, four different brands of impact sockets here. And those are all great. Yes, Snap-on's expensive. You pay for what you get in this field of work. You buy a set of impact Snap-on sockets, those are going to last you a lifetime. You will not have to buy that set again unless you lose them. That's the only way you're buying that set again. I mean, as you can tell, this semi-deep here, I've used this socket a lot, and this should be the 13/16. Yeah. And you can't even tell. Yes, I know it's an impact socket. That's a chrome socket. I understand that. But still, you cannot hardly tell that it's been used a bunch. Where's the other socket? I have another socket that I use, the 15/16. Give me 1 second. Let me get this socket. Alrighty, I'm back. This socket here, I was using on a daily basis for a while. On an impact daily basis. and it is hardly marred up and stuff. Yeah, it's a little wallered out there, but not as bad as using that for less than a month. And I know this is not comparing to apples or anything like that. It's just to get the point that when you buy quality tools and you pay the premium price, you're paying for what you get. Well, that rant is over with. I have some other videos I'm editing and stuff. The giveaway video is posted. Go comment, like, share, subscribe. Comment on that video. We have, what, 4 days left? 3 or 4 days left, and we're doing the giveaway video. The details for the giveaway video are posted. Go check that video out. As always, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave down in the comments what your opinion is on these icon sockets, because they're aggravating me right now. I'm very disappointed in them. Like I said, the wrenches are great so far. I cannot give my opinion on the ratchet. Haven't used it enough. We're going to put these through a couple weeks of work, see what happens with them. But as always, guys, get out and fix them and get back.